You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car's trunk and take out the taillight housing. To increase the light bulb's lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back in. Open the trunk. Move the carpet. Identify the plastic throttle valve which holds the lights. Unscrew it, turning the wing nut anti-clockwise. Extract the light block, pulling it towards you. Then remove the power connector, pushing down on the two holding tabs. Remove the light bulb support board by separating the tabs on the holding studs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the board in position, making sure it is the right way round, then push down on it. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the light back in. Screw the throttle valve back in and fix it by hand. Replace the carpet. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.